Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Doss. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another full day that I have off right here. And I guess you can call this a vlog. I'm not really going to call it chilling with Doss, even though that's what you're going to be doing. I'm not going to call this number 5, though. We got a couple things to do today, though. Even though I've already finished most of the trip. Look at that. Just look at the, but we're not worried about that right now. I'm going to be rotating the tires on the Kia. I think I need to do that right now. And, you know, it's Monday, so most of the neighbors are gone right there, so I can be talking to myself in the driveway, looking all weird without anybody staring at me and shit. Even though I think next door they got the garage wide open, as they do all the time. Alright. See, my toolbox is kind of crammed in here. Normally I do move my car out of the way so I can just, you know, go ahead and grab what I need. I think I can grab it right here. You already know we're going to be using my impact. I don't really like to use my hands if I have a power tool. I can use, I'm going to set the camera up so y'all can see, even though I know y'all already know how to rotate your tires and all that good stuff. But, boom. That's all we need from there. And my sockets are way deep in there, so I got to go grab them from here. Alright, I fished out all my tools that I'm going to be using for this rotation job, I guess you could say. I'm going to be doing front to back, not crisscross. I heard crisscross is the wrong way to do it. I don't know, I'm going to just do front to back because it's the normal way to do it. And you can see, boom, I have my 4 jack stands. I got 2 3-tons and 2 2-tons. Here are the bars for my 3-ton high profile jack. This one works just fine for my Kia and my Ranger at least. Well, the Charger, it works on the Charger too, but I'd rather have a low profile for the Charger, which I'm going to get one. But this is a 3-ton jack right here. It actually came in the kit with these for $109 back in the day when I used to work at the movie theater. It was a steal, so boom, there's my jack right there. You know, I have the 2-ton jack too, which came with these, but we're going to be using this one since it's a lot easier and it's a lot higher, obviously. Now, as far as the jacking up process goes, I know I'm looking at the Ranger right now, but the Kia and the Ranger are both the exact same setup, even though the Kia is 4-wheel drive and the Ranger is 2-wheel drive. The Ranger and the Kia, they both have a solid axle in the rear and an independent in the front. Solid axle in the rear, obviously you see that solid axle right there, you see the differential right there. And then independent in the front means that it takes a lot longer to actually jack up the front because the front is independent, which means it doesn't have a solid axle, which means the wheels kind of float on their own. So you have to jack up from one of the cross members in the front. Obviously I will show you guys that in a second. Back to the tools though, boom, you know I have my impact right here. I love Cobalt. Cobalt is my favorite tools. And then boom, we have our socket right there. And then we have our gloves right there, just in case of that. But boom, that's all I'm going to be using right here. You might be thinking, where the wheel chocks? I don't think I need that. I'm going to be jacking it up from the front. So we'll be fine without any wheel locks. If not, then we'll be crushed. You'll see in the video. So let's go ahead and get started with this. Show y'all how good Cobalt tools are. Look at this, I only have 1 bar left on my battery. This one's got 2 of them. I don't really charge these that much because I don't really use them. I don't like to leave them full. But look, even with 1 bar, it's still going to be enough power to take off these wheels. Watch this right here. You know, never mind. I changed my mind. We'll get just 1 wheel chock. Just 1. Even though we don't need it, like I said. We'll get 1. See, I ran this one over. That's why it's kind of... Look at that. I ran that one over. We'll use that one. Those are wheel chocks too, but they suck. See that right there. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. I'm going to use the 3-tons first because this is the heaviest part of the vehicle in the front. So let's figure out where we're going to put these. I forgot where I put these at. Probably about right there. There we go. close up of the rear. No pause on that. Alright. Might look scary because it's on a tilt. And it can just roll back and crush my forehead, the whole car, but not worried about that. Trust me, I've done this millions of times before. Y'all gonna witness this on camera, get it right about there. These are not tall enough. Okay, the jack stands aren't that tall enough. I jacked up a little too high. I just wanted to make it even. You can see how it's just floating up even in the air right now. We got it floating. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera over there on the side so you guys can watch the rest of it, because I don't want the camera in the way. Look at my hitch right there. I think I saw that dead cicada right there where he's dying. Wow. Y'all, I just swapped the wheels out. It took me a little bit longer than usual because I just wanted to check everything. Just want to check the brakes and the rotors and, you know, all the suspension components. I definitely do need some new struts because those are leaking. Can't see them now because I put the tire in the way now, but yeah, look at that. There's no off tread or nothing like that. Everything is still nice and even, but I am still going to swap these tires out because they've been on here for a little while. I'm going to do the other side. All right, we're on the other side. Oh, I said I wasn't going to show you guys this, but there is a bigger difference of wear on the other side. This is the tire that came off the front, and you can see it's almost starting to get a little, look at that. There you go. See? It's not as good as the other side. So for some reason we got a problem with the suspension over there on the front. This is, well, obviously the struts are bad. I know one of my U-joints is bad. That's why it vibrates so bad on the freeway. And I'm not really sure another reason why your tire tread would be going bad like that. But this is a back tire. Look at the back tire right here. Looks like it almost has no wear on it. That's crazy. the wheels and tires back on. I did burn out a stud and a lug nut right there, but that's cool though. That could be another video. That gives me an opportunity for another video. Here's the lug over here. It's still hot, or the nut, I guess you could say. Ooh, it's just burning right now. There it is right there. It's hot. I don't know how I'm holding it in my hand right now, but that's okay though. It just gives us another video. So we'll replace that in the next video. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this part of the video right now. So hope you guys enjoy that, and we'll get to the next thing as soon as I figure out what we're going to do later on.